Welcome to my channel. If this is your first time here, welcome. I am Simply Marvelous. Welcome to the gang. I have a unit that I got from Elevate Styles. Elevate Styles. I have a unit that I got from Elevate Styles again. Let me rewind again. If this is you guys' first time here, welcome. Welcome to my palace. This is my palace. Welcome, welcome, welcome. I have Miss Fran. This is Miss Fran from Elevate Styles. I don't know how long she's been out, but this is my first time seeing her. And this is a Vella Vella wig. And you can use her up to, you can use a current line up to 400. No more than 400 because you will burn her. So let's see what Miss Fran is about. Let's take her out. Another pack on the start card. I think she's cute on hot days. And it's getting cool, so Miss Vella Vella, Miss Fran, and I have her in a 1B. I got a little ponytail. Y'all know I still have patches in my hair. Patches from the traction alopecia. That's where she gets that. Yeah, I remember these styles from way back in the late 90s. I used to have my hair like this. This style, it's just cute. And this is what she looks like. And y'all can, this is a 16-inch, it says. Let's see, it has one comb in the top here. One in the back, your adjustable straps, and you have airy wig cap. No, guys. Okay. 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 I think I've done some here. What have I done? Oh, y'all, I like this. We'll turn around. I had no shedding, no tangling. Easy. I like Miss Fran from Elevate Styles. What y'all think? I'm gonna turn around so y'all can see the back. See, there's my earring. Not too long in my neck. Turn around so y'all can see. I'm somebody's grandma. Alrighty, guys. Tell me, guys, what do you guys think? Would you buy it from Elevate Styles? This is Miss Fran. Let's talk about it in the comments. Would you buy it? I think I'd buy her again if this one get all messed up, matted up. But yeah, I like her. You don't have to worry about no baby hairs and all of that. Yeah, I like her. All right. This is the end of the video, guys. Let's talk about it. Tell me, guys, what do you guys think? Let's talk about it. All right, guys, till the next time, like, comment, share the video. It's free. And thank you all so much for stopping by and support me on my channel. Till next time, peace.